Let's get it, man. 2, 2, 3. Yeah, man. Let's go, man. You two, y'all ready, man? Let's go, man. Let's check that boy out. Okay. Alright. Come with it. That's the magazine. It's the magazine. What is it? Okay. Stop playing, man. So pretty, man. You know. Okay. Yeah, I'm fucking with that color, man. What y'all think, man? Y'all let me know, you two. What y'all think about the 223, though? You know, brand new. You feel me? Y'all let me know, man. You know, and make sure y'all sub to my channel, man. You feel me? I would be going to the gun range, busting this motherfucker. You feel me? No cap. You already know. Yeah.